In this video, we are breaking down 15 powerful spiritual plants you can find at your local Home Depot or nursery for under $15 to protect and purify your home. You are going to learn exactly how to use these living protectors to shift your space's energy without spending a fortune. While the wellness industry sells the illusion that you need expensive crystals or imported sage, these plants do the heavy lifting for a fraction of the cost. Stick around, because plant number 11 has been grown near doorways for over 800 years to stop family conflicts, and number 15 was a staple in ancient purification ceremonies across multiple continents. It's time to stop overpaying for vibes and start growing a real sanctuary. Grab a notebook and hit that subscribe button, because we're going house-wide, from your front porch to your bedroom, to reclaim your home's energy starting right now. Part 1. The Front Porch Protectors. First Line of Defense. Section 1. Rue, the Guardian. First up is rue. You've probably seen it gathering dust at local nurseries looking like a greenweed. But here's the twist. It's not filler. It's a heavy-duty spiritual bodyguard. Its sharp, aromatic leaves act as a vacuum, absorbing negative energy before it crosses your threshold. Quick warning. It can irritate skin in the sun and isn't safe for pets. Instead of buying expensive smudging kits every month, $10 at Lowe's gets you a 24/7 spiritual security system that never asks for a paycheck. For generations, Mediterranean grandmothers hung it to ward off the evil eye. Today, psychology recognizes scent boundaries for creating safety, proving exactly what the ancients knew. Plant a large pot on your front steps or hang dried bundles right over your door. Section 2. Bay Laurel, the Abundance Magnet. Next up is Bay Laurel. You'll find it in the grocery store spice aisle, but don't just toss it in your beef stew. This is the tree of victory and prosperity. Its glossy evergreen leaves create a magnetic field that literally pulls in abundance. Here's the money reframe. You could drop $8 on a jar of organic dried leaves at Whole Foods that quickly runs out, or spend $15 on a live plant and build a self-renewing wealth bank right in your living room. Ancient priestesses wore laurel crowns, and Romans kept it at their entrances to welcome riches. Modern law of attraction says to write down your goals, but this tradition makes it physical. Write your intentions on a dried leaf and burn it. Tuck one in your wallet, or just keep a potted laurel by your front door. Section 3. Holy Basil/Tulsi, the Sacred Threshold. Number 3 is Holy Basil, or Tulsi. Often mistaken for Thai basil at the local farmer's market, this isn't some culinary garnish for your takeout. It's a sacred temple guardian. Its distinct, clove-like aroma actively shifts the vibrational frequency of anyone stepping through your door. Here is the ultimate money reframe. Cancel your $15 a month meditation app. Watering your Tulsi every morning is a free mindfulness practice that invites massive blessings. In Hindu tradition, it's deeply sacred and always placed at the main entrance. Modern science proves that tending plants lowers cortisol. Tradition simply calls this the plant returning positive energy. Place a potted Tulsi right at your front entryway, or harvest its leaves to brew a deeply calming tea. Section 4. Hawthorn, the Boundary Guardian. Moving to your yard, we have hawthorn. You see it growing wild or as thorny hedges in the suburbs. It's not just a physical barrier, it's a fierce spiritual guardian. Sharp thorns for defense, white flowers for blessing, and red berries for nourishment create an absolute energetic shield. Its deep roots forge an impenetrable boundary. Here's the reframe. Dropping $40 on a hawthorn tree for your property line brings peace of mind a ring camera simply can't provide. Celtic traditions respected and slightly feared hawthorn, using it for boundary hedges. Today, environmental psychology emphasizes the need for hard boundaries to feel secure. Plant a dwarf variety along your driveway or backyard corners. Part 2. The Indoor Mood Shifters, Living Room and Kitchen. Section 5. Lemon Verbena, the Joy Bringer. Moving inside, we have the mood shifters. First is lemon verbena. You've smelled it in expensive soaps, but instead of buying artificial scents, this living plant is a machine for joy and optimism. Brushing your hand through its leaves immediately clears mental fog and actively attracts positive energy. Here's the money reframe. Skip those $30 candles. A potted lemon verbena by your kitchen window provides free, natural aromatherapy every single day. Traditionally, people washed floors with its tea before important new beginnings. Science now shows citrus scents boost serotonin. The ancients just called it bringing in light. Keep it in a sunny window and brush the leaves whenever you need an energetic lift. Section 6. Scented Geranium, the Heart Healer. Next is scented geranium, often trailing from hanging baskets. Honestly, roses are completely overhyped for love. Scented geranium is the true relationship healer. Its herbaceous, rose-like aroma softens hotheads and diffuses tension during arguments. Plus, it thrives in indoor light and is 10 times easier to grow than finicky roses. Here's the money reframe. Instead of dropping $60 on dead rose bouquets, grab a cheap geranium at Costco for sustainable, heart-centered energy. Traditionally, people grew this exactly where family tension sparked. Science now proves calming environments actively lower heart rates during tough conversations. Tuck leaves under your pillow, toss them in a bath, or keep a potted plant right in your living room where everyone gathers. Section 7. Jasmine, Pure Spiritual Joy. Number 7 is jasmine. You see these cascading vines at Home Depot every spring. But here's the thing. It's not just patio decor. It's a massive vibration shifter. That heady scent literally raises your energetic frequency, pulling you out of dark moods and connecting you directly to divine feminine energy. When it blooms, it creates an atmosphere of pure celebration. Here's the reality check. Stop wasting money on toxic, synthetic wall plugins. A living jasmine plant offers a 100% natural, genuinely sacred fragrance experience. Across Asia and the Middle East, it's traditionally offered on altars. Science is catching up, too. Jasmine's antidepressant benefits are widely researched. Keep a potted vine near an open window so the breeze carries that heavenly scent right through your house. Section 8. Mugwort, the Dream Enhancer. 8th on the list is mugwort. You might walk past this modest weed growing wild, but here is where it gets interesting. If you're relying on over-the-counter sleeping pills loaded with groggy side effects, stop. This plant is a literal key to your subconscious. Mugwort actively thins the veil between your waking mind and the dream realm, giving you deep, intuitive clarity without a chemical hangover. Here is the ultimate money reframe. Instead of endlessly buying pricey sleep supplements, a $3 seed packet gives you a lifetime supply. It spreads rapidly, so keep it contained in a patio pot. For thousands of years, people stuffed pillows with dried mugwort or hung bundles near their beds. Today, modern research on lucid dreaming is finally catching up to these ancient intuitive practices. Grow it outside, dry the leaves for your own dream pillows, or just keep a small pot right in your bedroom. Part 3. The Backyard Purifiers, Clearing Heavy Energy. Section 9. Hyssop, the Ultimate Purifier. Moving to your backyard purifiers, we hit hyssop. You usually see this gorgeous purple shrub in pollinator gardens. But here is the twist. It's a literal space reset machine, clearing out heavy, stagnant energy after an illness or a bad argument. It doesn't just mask odors, it physically and spiritually sanctifies your home. Here is the money reframe. Forget hiring energy-clearing services or buying harsh chemicals. You can easily grow hyssop in sunny raised beds. Boiling its leaves for a floor wash disinfects and clears energy powerfully. Trusted since biblical times for deep cleansing rituals, science is catching up. Hyssop oil's antibacterial properties explain why it's such a powerhouse. Plant it outside, use it for spiritual baths, or bundle it to sweep your rooms. Section 10. Angelica, the Divine Protector. 10th is Angelica. You might buy this tall, umbrella-like giant just for its architectural wow factor. But here's the twist. It's not just ornamental. Named after Archangel Michael, it brings serious divine protection. Its sweet, musky scent grounds you and creates a solid spiritual shield. Here's the reality check. An ADT security system might protect your flat-screen TV, but Angelica is the system that guards against spiritual vulnerability. Its massive presence feels exactly like a guardian standing watch. For centuries, people carried the root as an amulet or burned it as incense. Today, psychology shows how large, sturdy plants provide deep psychological grounding. Plant it right by your entrance or along your property lines to lock down your home's energy. Section 11. Yarrow, the courage plant. Next is yarrow, the courage plant. With its fern-like leaves, it might look like a wild weed, but here's the twist. Yarrow brings serious warrior energy. It doesn't just protect you, it forces you to hold firm boundaries. After trauma or boundary violations, it helps you reclaim your strength. Here's the money reframe. Instead of endlessly paying for expensive healing sessions, growing yarrow reminds you of your own power. It's incredibly hardy, tolerating poor soil and self-seeding easily. European warriors actually carried it into battle. Today, science validates this via horticultural therapy for trauma recovery. Plant it around your yard and cut it for spiritual baths before facing tough challenges. Part 4. The ultimate sacred spaces, the heavy hitters. Section 12. Gardenia, the sanctuary creator. Now for the heavy hitters. Number 12 is gardenia. Famous in the American South for pristine white flowers, this isn't just a pretty scent. Here is the twist. While jasmine brings joy, gardenia creates absolute pure serenity. It literally turns your living room into a temple of deeply peaceful, protective energy. Yes, they are notoriously challenging to grow. But that is exactly the point. It demands your real devotion. Here is the money reframe. You could drop $500 on a weekend wellness retreat just to find some inner peace. Or you could invest in a gardenia. When it finally blooms, after your dedicated care, it feels like a tangible blessing has entered your home. Traditionally placed on altars for prayer, science now calls this active meditation. Caring for it forces intense mindfulness. Keep it in your meditation space and give it the strict humidity it craves. Section 13. Linden, the peace tree. Here is the one I teased earlier, the linden tree. This shade tree with heart-shaped leaves is literally known as the peace tree. It carries a gentle, maternal presence that actively calms hot tempers and makes people behave with more patience. Here's the money reframe. A one-time landscaping investment in a linden tree brings generations of conflict-reducing energy. European villages planted them in squares for 800 years as peaceful gathering spots. Today, science's biophilia effect proves shade trees actually reduce community violence. Plant a dwarf variety in a pot at your entryway or put one in the backyard where you host family BBQs. Section 14. Frankincense, the temple plant. Number 14 is frankincense. You probably only know it as a resin or expensive essential oil. But here is the twist. You don't need to burn smoky resin. The living tree itself holds all that potential, creating a sacred, energetic atmosphere. Just being near it elevates consciousness and creates literal temple energy in your home. These trees are slow-growing, rare, and precious. Here's the money reframe. Finding one at a specialty nursery is the ultimate spiritual investment. It turns your room into a temple simply by being present. Burned in sacred spaces for thousands of years, science now shows its compounds actively reduce brain anxiety. Keep a small tree in your meditation room in bright light with excellent drainage. Section 15. Vervain, the holy herb. Finally, number 15, the one we teased at the start. Vervain, the holy herb. With its modest little purple flowers, it looks like a common weed. But here's the twist. It is a profound bridge between human and divine realms. Unlike hawthorn's aggressive thorns, vervaine's protection comes strictly from inherent holiness. Here is the money reframe. The most spiritually powerful herb is the most accessible. Just toss cheap seeds into poor soil, and pure holiness will sprout in your yard. Sacred to ancient Druids and used in Roman temples, it carries serious weight. Today, as we crave minimalism, vervain proves the strongest energy lives in simple things. Grow it near your entrance, hang it over your door, or make vervain water to bless your home. We've been conditioned to think spiritual protection comes in a bottle, a crystal, or a pricey wellness package. The truth? The most powerful energetic tools have been growing in the dirt all along. It's time to bring them back inside. If this shifted how you see your local garden center, hit that like button. Drop a comment. Are you building team protection, team peace, or team purification? To transform your home into an actual sanctuary, hit subscribe. See you in the next one.